everyone, welcome back to ClickUp Unplugged, Productivity Without Limits. I'm Sally, your host, and as always, I've got my productivity gurus, Antony and Johan, with me. How's it going, guys?
Doing great. This topic is going to be fun.
Yep, because automations can either be life-changing or just a headache.
Exactly. So today, we're talking about ClickUp Automations. Do they actually save time, or do they just add extra work? Let's start simple. Do you guys use automations in ClickUp?
Oh, absolutely. Automations take care of all those little repetitive tasks that eat up my time.
Same. I love setting up rules so things happen automatically instead of me having to click around.
Nice! So for anyone new to this, what exactly do ClickUp Automations do?
They let you set up rules like, if this happens, then do that. So for example, if a task status changes to in progress, you can have ClickUp automatically assign it to someone.
Or send a notification when a deadline is coming up. Basically, it removes a lot of manual updating.
Love that. But let's be real. Are ClickUp Automations easy to set up, or do they feel overwhelming?
Honestly, at first, they feel a little intimidating. There are so many options.
Yeah, but once you get the hang of it, they're super powerful. The key is starting small. Simple automations first, then more complex ones later.
Great tip. So let's talk best automation use cases. What's your favorite one?
I love using automations to move tasks through different statuses without me having to manually update them.
Mine is auto-assigning tasks based on priority. If something is marked high priority, ClickUp automatically assigns it to me.
That's smart. But what about the downsides? Do automations ever cause problems?
Sometimes, yeah. If you set them up wrong, things can get too automated. And suddenly, tasks are moving around when you don't expect them to.
Also, on the free plan, automations are limited. You only get a few, and then you have to upgrade.
Yeah, that's definitely something to consider. So, final verdict, are ClickUp Automations a must-have, or are they overkill?
Must-have. Once you figure them out, they save so much time.
Agreed. If you're using ClickUp without automations, you're missing out.
Love it. All right, that's it for today. Next episode, we're diving into ClickUp integrations. Do they actually work, or are they just a hassle? If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. See you next time.